In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your email address or account inside Reddit. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration, I'm going to create a new account in Reddit and show you the process of how to verify your email address after account creation. And also, if you've got a current account, I'll show you the process to verify it that way as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click into Reddit. And now I'm going to use email or username. And now I'm going to click on sign up, top right hand corner. So I'm going to put in the email here and password. Then I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on continue. I'm just going to keep that username the same. And now I've created my new Reddit account. I'm just going to, obviously, going to click some random ones here just to get past this. Skip, allow. So now to verify my email account or account, just click on my profile. So I'm going to click on my profile, top right hand corner here. And now I'm going to click onto my profile. As you can see, it's a brand new Reddit account. Sorry, I'm going to click onto settings, not profile. And now I'm going to click on account settings for Loose Engineer. What a name, by the way. And now, once you've created your new account, you'll have this option here, update email address. So verification pending. To keep your account safe, verify your email address. So it doesn't matter if you just created your new Reddit account or if you had it for ages but you've never verified. This should appear here. So I'm going to click into it. And then from here, at the bottom it says your email address isn't verified. Help keep your account safe by clicking the verification link. So if I click on resend verification email, that's sent to the email address I just signed up to Reddit with. And then just follow the prompts, click the link in your email inbox, and then yeah, it'll redirect you back to Reddit and verify your Reddit account.